All right, so today, well, it wasn't today, but the radio decided to crap out on me. So we're taking the one out of that car, put it in the truck. Should be compatible, but we will find out. All right, so from what I've figured out, you're supposed to be able to just pop this. There we go. Pop this loose. Hey. That'll work. All right, we gotta get some tools.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. And today we're gonna be tearing off the front of the car so we can get the radio off. Show them.
I've already told them what we're doing.
We have it.
Yeah, I did. We're swapping the radios, not tearing the front ends off. We're taking this radio, right, putting it in the truck. That's what we want to try to do.
Have you already been recording this
Yep,
part?
some of it.
And so far, this is what we have. And now we're gonna go do it to the truck to get it out.
First, we got to move these.
I have no idea what they are.
The joys of being a truck driver. So that's a logbook and an inspection book.
Comment down below if you actually like doing that.
It's not fun.
Don't. We for sure don't. Probably no one else in the whole entire world don't.
So
I want to start.
I mean, it will, but
It just doesn't want to.
I got to pull this down so we can pull this off.
Oh, it's coming.
Even though they're the same radio, I did have to do a little bit of modifications. This is the one that came out of the truck. See how it doesn't have anything right here. And I had two mounts right here in the middle. I had to drill 2 holes and put the mounts there. And those are still out there as where it would be on the car. But it should work. I'm about to try it and see. That works. Okay, now that we know it works, we can start putting this mess back together. So I went ahead and fast forwarded to the end of it. Everything's back together. Then it did end up breaking this little plate here for the lights, but it's no big deal. I mean, I hardly ever touch it anyway, so. But yeah, that's all she wrote. Good as new. See y'all next time.